Good morning, guys. Today we'll start 12.5. Okay. Before starting 12.5, I would like to discuss a formula. When a particular curve is given, at first we have to figure out the gradient of that curve, which is ddx of y. The value of that gradient is m. If we get the gradient and we are given a particular point x comma y comma, I am taking x1 y1. If y1 is not given, we have to figure out y1 by putting the value of given x. Now when we take these three values in account, like gradient m, x1 x coordinate, y1 y coordinate, the formula for the tangent would be y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. We'll input the value of m, we'll input the value of y1 and x1. Here y and x would be variable. Another formula for normal. Normal basically a straight line which is perpendicular to the tangent. So that would be y minus y1. Here m would be 1 by m, and in front of that is a minus x minus x1. Now why is minus 1 by m? Because the if I am taking tangent gradient is m1 and m2 is the gradient of normal, their multiplication is minus 1. So see guys, if I want to make m2 as a subject, it would be minus 1 by m1. So here the gradient would be the minus 1 by m1. This is the fact actually. So let's get started. You don't need to memorize the formula, just listen what I'm saying and my method of doing mathematics. 12.5, number 1a. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve at the given point of x. Okay, so y has been given as x to the power 4 minus 3. First thing first, I have to figure out the gradient ddx of y, 4x cube. Okay, now at x equal to 1, which is equal to m, equal to 4 times 1 cube, which is 4. Now if x equal to 1, y could be from the first given equation, 1 to the power 4 minus 3 minus 2. So our given point is x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 2, and this is our m here. So this is our required value and this is our required value. Okay, now the equation of normal tangent. Equation of tangent would be y minus y1, this one. So it would be 2 equal m is 4 times x minus x1. X is our variable and x1 is 1. So this is the thing. Our answer should be y is equal to 4x minus 4 minus 2. So 4x minus 6. Yeah, absolutely correct. Don't try to remember the formula. Don't memorize it, man. We'll make it comfortable. Now, number B. Y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay. The point x equal to minus 2. Okay, no problem. At first, gradient ddx of y. So 2x plus 3 at x equal to negative 2. The value of m would be 2 times negative 2 plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3 would be minus 1. So I get m value here. Okay. Now I need coordinates of x and y. X has been given as -2. I have to input this -2 in the first equation, just given equation. So -2 square 3 times -2 plus 2 here. So 4 minus 6 plus 2, so 0. Our x1 comma y1 would be -2 comma 0. Now I'm ready with the values, right? Gradient and point. Equation of tangent. So y minus y1 is 0, m is -1 times x minus x1, which is +2 here. So y is equal to -x minus 2. If I check the answer, this is absolutely correct. Yeah, this is the answer. Now our B done. Now question C. Y is equal to 2x cube plus 5x square minus 1 at x equal to 1. Okay. First thing first, we'll differentiate this value. 6x square plus 10x at x equal to 1, m value would be 6 plus 10, 16. Now if x equal to 1, y would be, from the first equation, 2 plus 5 minus 1, 6. So our x1 comma y1 would be 1 comma 6. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is 6, m is 16 here, x minus x1 is 1. So y is equal to 16x minus 22, I guess, sorry, minus 16 plus 6, so 16x minus 10. Yeah, the answer is correct. (16x minus 10), yeah, the answer is correct. Now the question number D. Y is equal to 5 plus 2 times minus x at x equal to -2. So first differentiate the value of y. We'll get 0 here, and 2 times minus 1 times x to the power -2. So it would be minus 2 by x square ddx of y at x equal to -2. The value of m -2 minus 2 square is 4, so -1 by 2. When x is equal to -2, then y would be in the very first equation. 5 plus 2 times 2 to the power -1, so 5 plus 1, which is 6. So our x1 comma y1 value would be -2 comma 6. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 m minus 1 by 2 x minus x1, which is 2. So y would be minus x by 2 minus 1 plus 6 minus x by 2 plus 5. Why did I made mistake? Here says this +3. Okay, if I multiply these things, minus x by 2, okay, half times 2, which is minus 1, and 6 plus 5. Did I did any mistake here? 5 plus, oh, this is minus 2, and minus 2 to the power 1, so it would be minus here. So it would be 4, so it would be 4 here, so definitely become 3. Absolutely correct. Okay, so the whole result would be y equal to x by 2 plus 3. Yeah. Now question number E. Y is given as x minus 3, 2x minus 1 whole square. I am taking, this is u, this is v, so ddx of uv, right? So I am taking x minus 3 as a common, then if I differentiate this value, this would be 2 times 2x minus 1 times 2 plus 2x minus 1 whole square. If I differentiate this value, it would become a 1. So 4 times x minus 3, 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 square dx of y. Now at x equal to 2, the m would be 4 times minus 1 times 3 here plus 9. So minus 12 plus 9, the answer would be minus 3. We got our gradient. Now when x is equal to 2, y should be minus 1 times 9, minus 9. So x1 comma y1 would be 2 times minus 9, and our gradient m is minus 3. Now equation of tangent. Y minus y1 minus 3 times x minus 2. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 6 minus 9 minus 3x minus 3. Yeah, the answer is perfectly correct. Number E done. Now we are at the last question of question number 1. If I cropped it so roughly, so I'm guessing it y equal to x divided by x plus 1. I'm not sure. It must be x plus 1. Okay, let's see. So the differentiation of y would be, I have to use u by v here. Okay, so x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 times 1 minus x times 1. So x plus 1 minus x divided by x plus 1 whole square. It would become 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square at x equal to minus negative 3. M would be 1 divided by negative 3, negative 2 square, which is 4, 1 by 4. So we got our gradient is 1 by 4. Now if x equal to minus 3, y would be minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3, and here is minus 2. 3 by 2. So the point is minus 3 comma 3 by 2, and gradient is 1 over 4. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1, m is 1 by 4, x minus x1. So y is equal to x by 4, first thing mashed, plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So sorry, this is x by 4 plus 4, 3 plus 6, 9, x by 2 plus 9 by 4, yeah, 9 by 4, yeah, absolutely correct here. So thank you.